Nestled near the Wasatch Mountains, Murray offers homeowners some of the most beautiful scenery in Utah. Whether you're surrounded by tree-lined streets, mountain backdrops, or lush neighborhood parks, your windows serve as the frame to these views. But if your windows are outdated, foggy, or too small, you may not be enjoying the full benefit of your surroundings. With thoughtful window replacement, you can bring more of the outdoors in and create brighter, more inviting living spaces. Here are some practical tips for Murray homeowners looking to maximize natural views. Choose larger window styles if you want to showcase Murray's scenery. Size matters. Replacing small, standard windows with larger designs can dramatically expand your view. Picture windows. These fixed windows offer wide, unobstructed glass panels perfect for framing mountain vistas or backyard greenery. Bay or bow windows. By extending outward, these windows not only provide panoramic views but also add architectural charm to your home. Sliding glass doors. Replacing older patio doors with wider glass doors brings more light and an easy transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Larger windows flood your home with natural light while capturing more of the outdoors. Opt for minimalist frames. Thick, bulky frames can obstruct your view. Modern replacement windows come with sleek, narrow frames that maximize glass surface area. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum offer strength without sacrificing sightlines. Choosing minimalist frames enhances visibility, giving you a clean, modern look that doesn't compete with the scenery outside. Consider window placement. Strategic window placement is key to capturing the best views in Murray's scenic neighborhoods. Living rooms. Large picture or bay windows create a focal point that showcases your outdoor setting. Bedrooms. Casement windows allow fresh air in while framing tree lines or gardens. Kitchens. Adding a garden window above the sink creates a cozy nook for plants while opening up your view. If you're already replacing windows, take the opportunity to rethink placement and orientation to better connect your home with its surroundings. Use energy-efficient glass. Murray's climate shifts between hot summers and cold winters, which means energy efficiency is just as important as aesthetics. Look for replacement windows with low E coatings to reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. Double or triple panes for improved insulation. Gas fills, like argon, to reduce heat transfer without compromising clarity. These features allow you to enjoy wide, clear views without worrying about energy loss or high utility bills. Think about ventilation. While picture windows offer stunning views, operable windows like casement or sliding styles add ventilation. Fresh mountain air is one of Murray's biggest perks, so consider combining fixed windows with operable ones. For example, pairing a large picture window with side casements gives you the best of both worlds: panoramic views and refreshing airflow. Choose the right finish. Your window frames should complement your home's style while letting the scenery shine. Neutral finishes like white, black, or natural wood tones create a timeless backdrop that won't distract from outdoor views. In Murray's neighborhoods, modern black frames are especially popular for their ability to frame the landscape like a piece of art. Professional installation matters. No matter how stunning the design, your windows won't perform or look their best without expert installation. Professional installers ensure proper fit, sealing, and alignment, which keeps your views crystal clear while protecting against drafts and moisture. Final thoughts: your windows are more than functional, they're your connection to Murray's beautiful surroundings. By choosing larger designs, minimalist frames, and energy-efficient glass, you can transform your home into a space that maximizes natural light and breathtaking views. With the right replacement windows and professional installation, you'll enjoy the best of Murray's scenic neighborhoods every day, all from the comfort of your home.